Pinterest is one of those platforms that's hugely underrated and often overlooked for driving high quality traffic, especially if you have an e-commerce store, an online store, a Shopify store, a WooCommerce store, any store on an e-com platform really. In 2022, it's the 14th most popular social network worldwide with well over 440 million monthly active users. Just process that for a second. 440 million plus monthly active users, people who log in every month and use the platform. That's more than Twitter. On top of that, we know that the people who actually use Pinterest actively, they use it as a planning tool for inspiration and ideas, and 50% of them use it to find and shop for products. So with that kind of super engaged audience who are looking for stuff, who want to buy stuff, with that kind of audience, you definitely want to get your brand onto that platform the easy way. And you want to make it easy for your ideal customers not only to find your products, but actually buy them as well. And finally, just to bust one of those big myths out there, you don't need a lot of followers to get a large reach on Pinterest. Even if you're not spending money on ads, even without spending any money on ads. Just have a quick look at this example. This example here of this store, they've got 191 followers, just 191, less than 200 followers. And look at the monthly views, 456,000. Just goes to show what's possible on the Pinterest platform. Sure, you can also promote your pins with paid ads if you want to, but there's a big opportunity there for organic reach as well. So if you want to find out more about that side of it, check out our other video that goes into that in more detail. I'll put the link here or down below in the comments. You can go and find out more about that. We've got details on that. But before we jump into how to set up your Pinterest shop in this video, let's take a step back for a moment and look at, well, what is the Pinterest shop? In a nutshell, the Pinterest shop is a button on your Pinterest profile that shows all of your products in addition to any of the other pins and boards that you might have. And in your Pinterest shop, you've got the ability to arrange things into categories or collections as well, so you can kind of curate your products in the way that's going to be appealing to your audience. Inside your Pinterest shop are all of your products, which are shown as product pins or rich pins. These are kind of like the pins that you might have seen all over Pinterest already, only they've got more features on there. They show things like the price, the availability, the sizes that are available, and other information that's helpful when shopping. So now that we know what the Pinterest shop is, how do we go about setting up the easy way? By the easy way, I mean you already have an e-com store like on Shopify or WooCommerce or another major platform, and you can use the app connection that's provided by Pinterest to make it super simple to set up. So here are the main 3 steps to get your Pinterest shop set up today. Step 1, set up your Pinterest for Business account and claim your website. We've got a separate video on that goes into that step by step. So click here on the link to grab that, or I'll put the link in the comments down below the video. Step 2, connect your catalog to Pinterest. In other words, you need to connect your shop with all of your products that you want to promote on Pinterest into the Pinterest system. The easiest way to do that is with the Pinterest app. So if you're on Shopify, you go to the Shopify App Store. If you're on WooCommerce, you can get it from the WooCommerce website. If you've got a Shopify store, it's going to look something like this. You navigate down to the App Store where it says Add Apps, and then you click down here, Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. And then we type in Search for Apps, Pinterest. And then you find the Pinterest one here, and you're going to add that to your store. There'll be a button to Add Now, Install Now, something like that. Click that and then follow the prompts. Now, if you're on WooCommerce, it's similar. You go to the WooCommerce site and find Pinterest for WooCommerce, and you download that and you can install that into your WooCommerce installation. And if you're on another e-com platform, you can probably connect it there as well via one of these apps, which you can find more details about on the Pinterest website. Again, I'll put the link down below in the video. So there you have it. That's the easy way to set up your Pinterest shop. All you need to do really is connect your Pinterest account to get your products in front of those 440 plus million people all around the globe, and allow the system to automatically create those product pins for you for all the items that you want to sell. In doing this, you'll also be able to apply for the Pinterest Verified Merchant Program, which is free to join, and that enables you to get that blue check mark. There are some requirements to be met, but if you get approved for that, you get that nice little blue check mark to kind of increase your brand trust and reputation.